Hi guys, in this video I'll show you a payment proof from Shorten URL Shortener. We go to the channel URL Shortener reviews. This is it. For those of you who are watching my video for first time, in this channel I'm posting videos about payment proofs. Publishers are posting in the forum shortenreviews.com. So go to the forum from here or just write shortenreviews.com and register. When you receive a payment from a URL shortener, post a screen of your payment there, and in the weekend I'll make a video about your payment, and in the video description I'll include your referral link so you can win some referrals like a thanks for your cooperation. Now let's go to the forum to show you the forum itself. Before that, please hit the subscribe button in your right corner of this video, or go to the channel and subscribe from the button to stay updated for the latest payment proofs videos. This is the forum, shortenreviews.com. Register from this button and start posting your proofs. Now, this is the topic about shortener payment proof. And this is the date of the withdrawal, and this is the amount. And this is the Bitcoin transaction details with the same ending at the Bitcoin transaction address, the date the Bitcoins have been received, and the amount. So they're very quick with the payments, as you can see. This is the forum. Come register, post your proofs, and the rest leave to me. Bye for now.